Let's take a closer look at the features of this new machine. The overall dimensions of this machine are approximately 81 inches long, 26 inches wide, and 52 inches high when it's on the stand. The new TR2 inks provide brighter and more vivid prints at a lower cost per square foot than previous models. TR2 inks offer durability of up to 3 years without lamination. True Rich Color provides new color profiles, allowing for improved output on neutral grays, color gradation, and natural skin tones. The new FlexFire print heads are designed to maximize print performance even at high speeds. The new and improved media clamps allow for ease of media loading and also the ability to sheet cut the media without the need to remove the media clamps. The new pinch roller system will automatically lift the middle pinch rollers to avoid contact with the freshly printed media while cutting the design. The outside rollers offer adjustable pressure options to improve the material tracking. Roland has added LED lights in the print bay to provide a well-lit area to inspect prints as they are being produced. The new TrueVis series of print cut machines come with Roland VersaWorks 6 software. This is the manufacturer's RIP software that you'll use to operate the machine. Let me teach you how to properly load your media. We will start by loading the media onto the media roll holder system in the back of the machine. Notice I'm only touching the edges of the media. This is important so we do not get oil or debris on the media that can lead to smudges or inconsistent prints. Pull out slack from the media to feed it from the back of the machine to the front. We will now go to the front of the machine to properly line up our media. I like to pull the media tight in the center to ensure it's running straight and not on an angle. Lock your pinch rollers down and place your media clamps over the edges of the media. Close the front cover and hit enter to start your media setup. If you're missing nozzles or see deflections, you'll need to correct this before sending a job. To start our test print, we'll select Function and enter our base point. From here, we'll select Function, go down to Cleaning, hit our right arrow key, and then hit enter to start our test print. As you can see, our test print is perfect. Had it not been, you would see missing dashes of color in the print channels. Depending upon the severity of your dropouts or deflections, you'll want to select one of these 3 cleaning levels. This will clean your print head. After performing your cleaning, you'll want to run another test print. Once your material is loaded and your media clamps are in place, hold the up arrow to retract the media until it automatically stops. Once this is done, you'll want to hit your Function button, then you'll see Function, Base Point. You'll want to hit Enter. This will set your base point or your origin for printing. From here, we need to do a test cut. In order to do a test cut, we'll hit Function, use our down arrow until we see Cut Config, hit the right arrow, and you'll see Test Cut. In order to perform the test cut, we'll hit enter. By removing the circle from the square, we're checking to see if we have enough force to cleanly cut through the media and lightly score the carrier. If we need to adjust our force, all we have to do is hit our down arrow key, then the right arrow key, adjust our force, hit enter, the back arrow key, up arrow key, and then enter again to perform another test cut. The machine automatically retracts the material and performs a second test cut directly next to the first test cut. Now that we have our graphic imported into Corel Draw, we'll want to make sure our graphic is ungrouped. We'll select our graphic, go to Object, Shaping, and create our boundary. From here, we'll want to right-click on the Cut Contour color from the Roland color palette to make sure this is a cuttable file in Roland VersaWorks. From here, we'll go to File and Export. We'll name our file and export it as an EPS file. You'll want to make sure your Convert Spot Colors to section is unchecked, and then we'll click OK. From here, now we need to import our graphic into VersaWorks. We'll go to File, Add Job to QA, find our graphic on our computer, so we saved it as Redbirds EPS. It is now loaded into VersaWorks. We'll go to Job, Settings. From here, we'll need to click Get Media Width so that we know exactly how much material we have to work with. From here, we'll go to the Quality tab. This will be to ensure that we have the correct media type selected. We're working with Stahl's Express Print, and we want our color management preset to be on True Rich Color. Our next step is to go to Printer Controls. Here we'll want to make sure our heater controls are set to default media settings. This will ensure that we are using the correct heat settings for the Express Print material. We'll then select OK. Your print button will be in the lower portion of your VersaWorks software. Once you click the print button, it will then start to rip the file. And once it is done ripping the file, it will heat the dryer to the correct temperature and then print your design. The Roland TrueVis SG2 has 4 print heads that print bidirectionally for optimal print speeds. Once the printing portion is finished, the print head carriage will navigate back to the capping station. The cutting carriage then detaches from the print head carriage and contour cuts your designs. Now that our design has been printed and cut, we can start the weeding process. Pick a corner of the media to start weeding away your excess material.